Welcome all. You're all invited to access our platform, install the app, and become part of our community. You can also follow WorldMiner on our social media, X, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Medium. Do not forget to visit our website, worldminer.io, to start your WorldMiner journey. And please join any of our Telegram communities, either WorldMiner Global, WorldMiner Brazil, or any of the others, to reach out, stay connected, get all the support you need, and any questions that you have. So my name is Ola Johannes Lind. I'm the CEO of WorldMiner. And at WorldMiner, we believe that blockchain mining should no longer be a privilege of the few. And everyone should have the access to its benefits in the future digital economy of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology, regardless of your location or wealth, or that anyone should have the equal opportunities to participate and gain. We think that together we move forward in a more inclusive, sustainable, and transparent future. This is the reason why WorldMiner strategically works with WorldCoin and with OpenAI to shape the future of cryptocurrency together, aiming to address regulatory gaps in WorldCoin's global market within OpenAI's grand vision, in enhancing its reach and influence. We trust in the market potential of our coin, ATM, which was developed to provide computing power to help fill that gap that was left behind of WorldCoin, to offering a sustainable market opportunity that users can acquire computing power at a low cost and earn returns from both WorldCoin and WorldMiner. WorldMiner and WorldCoin, both aimed at OpenAI's core initiatives, have both developed their robust cryptocurrency financial ecosystem. The market education, promotions, and technical support are top tier, demonstrating strong capabilities. WorldMiner addresses the biometric policies barriers, like the iris scan features, that is faced by WorldCoin in its global expansion by offering an unrestricted registration and participation platform for users across the globe. This move injects new momentum into WorldCoin's market values growth. With WorldMiner's global promotion, both WorldCoin and ATM values are expected to easily double. WorldMiner introduces a staking mining model that eliminates the need for expensive equipment purchases. So user can stake a certain number of tokens to receive computing power allocations, enabling that participation in mining and earning rewards. Compared to traditional mining, staking mining significantly lowers entry barriers and reduces the equipment and maintenance costs. The ATM token, positioned along WorldCoin, is currently undervalued. However, with the expansion of the project and increased applications, we believe that token price is expected to rise substantially, offering that strong investment potential. WorldMiner provides not only basic staking mining returns, but also offers additional rewards through various incentive programs and activities. So by participating in the programs and staking in the reward programs with computing power competitions on the platform, users can earn extra returns, further boosting their gains. So join WorldMiner today to shape your digital future. So our topic of today's session, session 26, is cryptocurrency mining and AI research funding. So cryptocurrency mining once that was primarily associated with the validation of blockchain transactions and earning digital currencies, is increasingly finding its role in the world of artificial intelligence, AI, research. Both AI and cryptocurrency mining are deeply connected through the reliance on computing power and specialized hardware, primarily GPUs, graphics processing units, but plays a significant role in both fields. As AI research continues to evolve, it requires a significant financial backing. Some organizations, institutions, and individuals have started exploring alternative models and methods of funding their research. So one of these alternative approaches is to leverage the computing power, resources, and the financial gains from cryptocurrency mining. This method is particularly appealing in situations where traditional funding mechanisms such as grants, venture capital, or institutional backing are difficult to obtain. In this comprehensive analysis that we do today, we will explore how cryptocurrency mining is utilized for AI research funding, looking at the processes involved, benefits, challenges, examples, and overall its impact of this innovative approach. So by understanding cryptocurrency mining, it's a process of validating and verifying transactions on a blockchain network. So miners use high-powered computing system to solve complex cryptographic puzzles, and in return, they are rewarded with crypto tokens. For an example, ATM, WorldCoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So this process not only ensures the integrity of the blockchain, but also incentivizes miners to compute and contribute their computing resources to the network. The verification process is computational intensive, so requiring a significant amount of power and specialized hardware. So mining operates on a proof of work, consumes mechanisms which demands high computing power, particularly from GPUs. And in some cases, as is application-specific integrated circuits, these devices are optimized for the parallel processing task that mining requires, similar to the type of processing needed in AI applications. So this synergy between mining and AI has led to innovative funding strategies, where the profits from mining operations are directed toward AI research initiatives. AI research, particularly in areas such as deep learning and natural networks, demands extensive computing power and resources. To train large AI models, to run the simulations and performing that data analysis would take an enormous amount of time and power. So with the rising cost of such resources, researchers have sought new ways to fund their work. And one such method is through cryptocurrency mining. And here is the primary ways in which way actually the cryptocurrency mining and AI research funding are connected. Computational synergy. Both cryptocurrency mining and AI research require similar types of hardware, primary GPUs, as we just discussed a little bit earlier. So by utilizing the same hardware for both purposes, researchers can maximize their computational resources. The monetization of idle hardware. In AI research, there are often periods when computational powers are idle. They're not working on the project, and particularly outside of regular working hours. So instead of leaving this hardware unused, researchers and institutions can run cryptocurrency mining operation during downtime. So this revenue generates from this mining can be reinvesting into the AI research projects. So funding the new experiments, hardware upgrades, and operational costs. It's quite interesting way to actually use institutional and data power. And then direct mining revenue. So in some cases, organizations set up dedicating mining operations to generate consistent source of revenue. So these mining operations can be run either in-house or through partnership with external mining farms. So the cryptocurrency earned can be converted into traditional currency and reinvested into the AI research. That way, it provides a new decentralized source of funding that doesn't rely on traditional grant system or venture capital funding. So blockchain and AI convergence, in addition to using the mining for funding, some researchers are exploring how blockchain technology itself would be integrated with AI. For example, decentralized AI platforms like Singularity Net allows participants to use mining to contribute the computing power to the AI tasks, then earning cryptocurrency while also advancing the AI research is really a great incentive way. So the convergence of blockchain and AI could lead actually to a new business model that directly funds AI developments through decentralized mining and computation. There are several benefits to using cryptocurrency mining as a funding source for AI research. These advantages makes it so much more attractive option for research teams, particularly those facing financial constraints or seeking independence from traditional funding mechanisms. The traditional funding sources, such as government grants, academic funding, VC, venture capital, can be difficult to secure and often comes with a lot of conditions and limitations, how the funds can be used and utilized. So with cryptocurrency mining provides that alternative and decentralized funding source. This method allows researchers to generate revenue independently, free from external control or influence. And then AI research hardware, particularly GPUs, are expensive and often sits idle, like we said. So during non-research hour, or when not being used for training models, cryptocurrency mining allows research team to monetize their hardware by running mining operation during the downtime. And this increases the overall return on investment, not only for the hardware, but ensuring it's generating value 24/7. And one of the most significant advantages of cryptocurrency mining as funding source is that it's non-dilutive. In traditional funding models, especially with VC, venture capital money, organization or research teams needs to give up a lot of equity or control in exchange for the funding. Cryptocurrency mining, however, allows the researchers to generate the funds without giving up intellectual property, the IP, equity, or control over the projects. The cryptocurrency mining operation and the scalability based always on available resources. So researchers that has access to large amounts of computing power can scale up mining operations and generate significant revenue. Conversely, a smaller research team can run smaller mining operation and still gains supplemental funding for the projects. Blockchain-based AI platform, such as Fetch AI and Singularity Net, allows researchers to combine the cryptocurrency mining with AI development. So participants on these platforms can contribute computational resources to AI tasks and be rewarded in cryptocurrency. So this creates a symbiotic relationships between the AI development, the blockchain, and where both fields support each other's growth. And lower the entry barriers. Cryptocurrency mining can serve as a funding mechanisms for AI researchers in regions with limited access to the traditional funding sources. I mean, normally for grants and funding for bigger research projects, normally has always been granted in Europe and US, for an example, when a lot of VC funding, etc. It has changed, but these traditional funding methods also requires the researchers to navigate through a very complex bureaucracy or access networks of investors. And some of them may be not available in some regions. But with cryptocurrency mining, however, is decentralized and accessible to anyone with the required hardware and internet connection. So lowering that entry barrier to securing funding. While cryptocurrency mining provides these numerous benefits as a funding source for AI research, it also comes with several challenges that needs to be addressed for its success. And these challenges stems from the volatility nature of cryptocurrency markets, energy consumption concerns, and hardware demands. So one of the most significant challenges with cryptocurrency mining is the high energy consumption. So mining operations, particularly for proof of works cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, require substantial amounts of electricity. And this leads to high energy bills, which reduce the profitability of the mining and in turn the amount of funding available for AI research. So in regions where electricity is expensive, mining may not be the option to take. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly during the market speculations, regulatory changes, and technological developments. So this volatility makes it difficult to predict how much revenue and mining operation will generate over time. Sudden drop in the value of a mine cryptocurrency could significantly reduce funding for AI projects. So as a result, research team relying on mining may find their funding levels to be inconsistent and unreliable. And then it comes obviously with a significant strain on hardware, particularly GPUs, that is also used for AI research. The continuous operation of mining rigs can lead to overheating, increased wear and tear, shorter lifespan of its hardware. So this can also result in higher maintenance costs and need for frequent hardware replacements. And that can also offset the revenue generated through mining. The regulatory risks. Cryptocurrency mining faces varying levels of regulation across different countries and regions. Some governments or regions have banned operation due to the high energy consumption, specifically for Bitcoin mining, environmental impact as well. And so in the use of cryptocurrency and the regulatory hurdles and changes can disrupt mining operations and affect the viability of using mining as a funding source for AI research. So it's important to understand your landscape and where to utilize the computational power of utilizing it, the mining. So AI research teams may also face an opportunity cost when choosing to focus on cryptocurrency mining as a funding source. The time and resources spent on managing mining operation could potentially divert attention away from the core research activities. So they need to balance the activities with priority and primary focus on advancing AI technologies, which could impact their productivity and innovation. So some real-world example. And this example highlights the diverse approaches and strategies that organizations and individuals are using to leverage the synergy between mining and AI. For example, Singularity Net, right? that is a decentralized AI platform that combines blockchain and AI technologies. The platform allows participants to contribute computational power of an AI algorithms to a specific decentralized marketplace. So mining on the platform is rewarded with AGI tokens that can be used to access AI services or traded for other cryptocurrency. This model enables researchers and developers to fund AI projects by contributing their computational power to the network while earning cryptocurrency. Fetch AI is another platform that integrates AI and blockchain technology for research. So it allows the participants to mining power to a decentralized AI network where autonomous agents interact and perform tasks. The miners are rewarded with FAT tokens, which can be used to access AI services on the platform or traded on cryptocurrency exchanges. So this model incentivizes both mining and AI development and provide that source for funding AI research. And then you have university research initiatives. Some academic institution has explored using cryptocurrency mining to fund their AI research initiatives, utilizing their off hours, running mining operations to generate the extra income. This approach is less common due to energy cost and hardware tear. But in some cases, it has been proven workable in certain cases. So in some cases, for example, also crypto mining farms has partnered with AI startups to provide funding. So mining farms with access to large amounts of computational power and low-cost electricity, could generate a significant profits that can be used to invest in AI research and development. So these partnerships provides the AI startup a source of funding without the need to go for VC capital or grants. So the intersection of cryptocurrency mining and AI is still in very early stage, but the potential for growth and innovation is enormous. So as both fields contribute to evolve and continues to evolve, we can expect to see new models, new technologies that further will integrate mining and AI development. So some of these future prospects in innovation include green mining solutions, because one of the major criticisms for cryptocurrency mining is the environmental impact. So many working on this greener mining solution, such as WorldMiner, and this solution assists to reduce by using a singular or circular approach in creating the network. So lowering the energy cost and make it more profitable for the miners and giving a more sustainable development. We do not fund for a source for AI research in this case, but we are assisting of adding that computational power that is needed for AI developments and giving the opportunity for everyone to participate in the AI and the blockchain technology era. AI itself can also be used to optimize cryptocurrency mining operations, like in WorldMiner, because the machine learning algorithms can analyze mining patterns, predict the most profitable way to mine, and to adjust the hardware settings in real time to always maximize efficiency. So this AI-driven optimization makes it more profitable, and this could be utilized for the participants. Blockchain platforms that combine mining with AI utilizing tokenization AI services, where participants earn cryptocurrencies to contribute by doing different AI tasks. So these tokens then can be used to access advanced AI services or traded on exchanges, creating a decentralized ecosystem where AI research is funded through this combination of mining and service provision. And then the decentralized AI marketplace. So the concept of decentralized AI marketplaces is where participants contribute and trade AI models, algorithms, and computing power. This is gaining attractions but in these marketplaces, mining operation provides that backbone for the computational infrastructure, while researchers earns the cryptocurrency for contributing their AI expertise. So you see the pattern here, right? It's about creating wealth for everybody. Knowledge is collaboration, but incentivize and reward everybody in the networks. So it democratizes AI development and creates these new funding opportunities for researchers to even create more innovative services and understanding of AI for the future. So, we'll share this news section because I think it's very interesting from yesterday. And it's about crypto mining and blockchain networks that are powering the future of AI. The article explained the conversion of cryptocurrency mining and artificial intelligence. And it is an emerging and as a transformative area of innovation. Because as AI demands more computational power and energy, even Bitcoin miners are redirecting surplus capacity to meet these needs. So like tech giants like Amazon, like we discussed the other day, their innovations and how much AI they actually sits on, and Microsoft, they are facing this incredible increase in electricity demands for their new AI and cloud computing, since it's growing at such a fast pace. So it's outpacing grid expansions. So this has prompted collaborations between AI and crypto mining sectors, with these centralized technologies offering solutions to financial, computational, computing, and sustainable challenges. So by 2027, analysts predicts that the power of mining capacity, 20% will be shifted over towards AI. Because AI development is costly. Data centers requiring a vast energy resources. AI data centers can cost over $10 million per megawatt, compared to 300 to 500,000 per megawatts needed for Bitcoin mining sites. Because traditional AI infrastructure is centralized, dominated by big techs, right? Microsoft, Amazon, etc. So it results in high costs. So for an example, the capital-intensive nature of AI development, hear this out, is expected to cost OpenAI more than $5 billion this year alone. But decentralized blockchain technology, however, offers this a potential solution. So companies like Jensen, Aether, WorldMiner, we are creating this growth of GPU network where computing power, reduce costs, and democratization access to resources everywhere. We're assisting building the AI development as World Miner, but in return, we are rewarded for giving that computational power at a better cost to develop more because we are decentralized and global. So actually, as well, since the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining has been being repurposed to support AI operations. So specifically in regions where they have abundance of energy, say for an example in the US could be Texas and North Dakota. So partnerships between miners and AI companies are mutually beneficial. So while miners is supplying the energy to AI data centers, generating additional revenue, research from JP Morgan, for example, suggests that 14 public listed US mining companies could provide around 3.6 gigawatts of energy to AI data centers. But obviously, a lot of challenges remain for many of these, since many of these are being repurposed from Bitcoin mining, where they have lots of environmental concerns. Because the Bitcoin mining consumes about 150 terawatts hour annually. And AI in crypto sectors are projected to account for 3.5% of all global electric usage by 2027. So, a lot of regulatory proposals like IMF suggest higher electricity taxes to curb the carbon emission from these sectors. So this is very interesting. So say, for example, us like World Miner, where we're building and utilizing our nodes and network globally to decentralize and offer that additional computing power at a lower threshold and price structure, but decentralized globally. So it minimizes the environmental impact because we are not building new. We are utilizing the existing circular network and infrastructures, but combining them into a decentralized distribution of the computational power. Makes it a very good place to be from now on and forward, because AI research will not stop and AI developments and new product services will not stop. It will just escalate and transform not only the digital economy that we see today and cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, but everything we touch in our daily life and in our daily work. So we should all embrace it and participate it, making sure that we all have that participation in AI technology and blockchain technology, and that we can distribute this to everybody to participate equally. So World Miner's innovative staking mining platform combines this both. And our staking systems allow various staking options depending on our budgets. So what is staking? So the staking is the process of locking cryptocurrency assets for a predetermined amount of time to support the blockchain operations. So staking your cryptocurrency earns you that additional cryptocurrency. And a World Miner with dual economic modalities, we even offer more. So many blockchains use proof of stake, where users stake predetermined amounts of cryptocurrency to support the blockchain by confirming fresh transactions and generating new blocks. So in WorldMiner, you enjoy today 4 different staking mining methods. The dual coin mining, that is the first one to start to engage in the WorldMiner platform, and is the first and most important one. So WorldMiner's flagship product in this method requires users only to invest a minimum of 100 USDT in the value of 70-30% ratio of USDT and SAM, the seed token from WorldMiner. So this principle will generate every 24 hours WorldCoin and WorldMiner coins in the same 70-30% ratio. So the daily output will automatically be transferred to the user's wallet once it's generated on a 24-hour basis. So the dual coin mining has 4 different modalities. Precision mining, that is the shortest time period, is the starting and the testing one. Is the duration of 7 days with a profit of output of rewards of 0.7% daily. Our cloud data analytics mining has a duration of 30 days, but gives you a profit reward daily of 1%. And the 90 days investing mining has a profit output daily of 1.2%. And our AI intelligent mining, that is for a long term of 180 days, gives a daily profit of 1.5% in cryptocurrency reward. As we just mentioned, 70-30% ratio of WorldCoin and WorldMiner. But it's also very, very important that after your staking period is over, you can select to get all of your principal back that prior you didn't gain on USDT, or start a new staking with the same principle. So this methods applies to any staking in our platform. 2, the ATM mining. The second staking mining method in our platform is the ATM mining. Here you utilize your WorldMiner token that was generated from the dual coin mining, and you stake it to generate ATM coins at 1% daily reward profit for a lockup period of 10 days. And ATM is one of WorldMiner's coin that can be traded on the secondary market, such as well the WorldCoin from OpenAI. And you find them in listed stores like CoinStore and Coin8, for an example, and so on. Then we have liquidity mining. This is the third method in our platform. And we believe it's very innovative because it's a method for the investors. Because here you can stake your choice, either WorldCoin or our ATM coin, or both if you prefer. You get a 1.5% daily profit return in WorldCoins and ATM coins for a lockup period of 10 days. But the interesting part afterwards, you can decide to continue to restake another 10 days, and you get an additional 0.5% for the same period, for that period, meaning now you're staking at 2%. If you do it again, restaking the third time, you get 2.5%, and so on upwards to a maximum of 5% a daily reward. So remember that the accumulated output percentage in this method is bound to each independent staking process you started. And fourth, our last staking method is easier. Sometimes liquidity needs to be more accessible, not to be on lockup periods. So you can stake either the WorldCoin or WorldMiner coins, or both, in a 24-hour period, lockup period, and you get 0.7% daily output profit in the same coin. So there is quite interesting gains and different choices, both from the traditional or virtual markets. So install the WorldMiner app. You can download it from App Store or Google Play Store, and you start your journey and join us here at WorldMiner, and we look forward to have you all on board. So let's wrap it up for today's session. Cryptocurrency mining presents that novel and decentralized approach for the future, for funding AI research. And I believe that's a need for the future to make sure that we have ethical and we have the right approach of doing AI research, not only companies for profit research. It has to be available to the people, to be the wealth distributed equally to everybody to have the opportunity to participate anywhere from anywhere in the world and participate in the new era of blockchain technology and AI. And this is one of the most important part in the journey of blockchain technology and AI for the future, because it needs to be accessible to everybody and the opportunity for everybody. So I will conclude this topic for today. Thank you so much for joining us, and I look forward to see you in the next session. You can join us anytime on our social media sites. Join us in the Telegram groups. Any questions, you reach out there and we will answer them. We have a great support team in any of our markets. And my name is Ola Johanneslin. I'm the CEO of WorldMiner. And thank you for today.